Women work selflessly and tirelessly, balancing their homes and careers and taking them both a notch higher, even if that means having a compromise on personal needs and comfort. As a result, bone decay creeps up like a silent killer when a woman reaches around 30 years. However, it is left unnoticed till it finally culminates into osteoporosis 10 to 15 years down the line. What they need is an expert, a constant safety net that works as a support system even when they themselves forget. Women's Holics gave these women an opportunity to take a step closer towards being healthy. An important message that needed to be conveyed was that women had to become more aware and mindful of their health. After all, healthy bones signify a healthy and empowered life. In association with Pinkathon, India's biggest women's run, conceptualized by celebrity runner Milind Soman, Women's Holics urged all women out there is start strong for the run. Pinkathon became the beginning of a movement carried forward by a growing community of empowered women across India, who share the belief that a healthy family, a healthy nation, and a healthy world begins with empowered women. It gave a perfect opportunity to Women's Holics to weave in the context of bone health and champion the cause of women's health. Leveraging a big and relevant platform led by the brand to own conversations around bones and strength, thereby making the brand name synonymous with bone health. The Pinkathon was the perfect choice because it provided a platform where thousands of women can be themselves and participate in a run for health. The run successfully reached to around 45,000 women in Delhi, Guwahati, Ahmedabad, Pune and Mumbai. Bone mineral density tests were conducted at the event, which helped to ascertain the bone health status of the participants, thereby creating urgency among these women to finally start taking care of their bones. Women's Holics even framed a digital walk which ranked these women participants according to the likes they received on Facebook on their running progress. This ensured that their first step towards bone health was not only encouraged but also celebrated. The ultimate impact of Women's Holics Pinkathon did wonders for the brand. It led to increased consumption, consequently increased its sales value by 22%. The idea that achieving overall empowerment for a woman is possible only when she has healthy bones was successfully brought into limelight.